And good morning everyone, happy Tuesday. This is your English instructional video for today. So the learning target is to peer assess and provide feedback for a colleague. Now, hopefully, if you attended yesterday's Zoom meeting with myself or Miss Halls, you would have agreed to work with a partner or somebody else from your Zoom group for whom you were going to provide some useful feedback for the task of creating a video based on the Little Shop of Horrors sequel. Okay, so hopefully, first of all, you should have somebody for whom you're going to work with. Now, what you'll need to do this morning is to watch their video. They should have given you permission, obviously, and you need to have a look at their video to have an idea as to what they've produced and see what it's like compared to maybe something that you have done. Now, you can check out slide number 6 on this particular PowerPoint show that we send you through the activity booklet to locate the folder links. Okay, so they look something like that there. If you're in 5A or 5B, you just need to click the correct link to locate the folder. Now, of course, you'll know that because you uploaded your booklets, you uploaded your movies a few days ago, I would have hoped. So then in your answer booklet, what you'll need to do, and this is very important we understand this, in your own answer booklet, you will then need to provide feedback for your partner, not for yourself. You will need to provide feedback for your partner based on the movie that you have seen. So you're not peer assessing yours, that's not peer assessing, that's self-assessing. You are peer assessing what the video that you have noticed and you have seen. Okay, so it's really important that you know who you're going to be working with and you know that the feedback that you're going to be giving to that person is located in your activity booklet. This is the link here. And then once you've watched the movie, you then go to your answer booklet and you then provide feedback for that person in your answer booklet. Cool. Now, in order to make sure you're assessing the right things, on the screen right now you can see there is some success criteria which you will need to use to help work out if your colleague, if your friend, your peer has done some really good quality work. Now there are 7 criteria there. So what you can do if you want to is you can give them a little grade like a 1 to 10 out of each of these, a 1 to 5 grade if you want to, and you can then just let them know if you think they've done a really good job on each of those 7 individual things. So don't really focus on, for example, spelling and punctuation, that's not overly important, but what is obviously that there is a script, and you can ask your colleague if they've sent Mr. Dart a script and just have to take their word for it if they've done this or not. But the rest of it you will be able to see by having a look at their movies. All right, so that's the success criteria you judge once you are trying to give somebody some good quality feedback. Now then, how do you do this? Well, what we've provided here for you are some sentence starters for you to give feedback to other people. So these are positive steps because the work and the effort that you chaps are putting in outside of school is incredible right now, and we are amazed at the stuff that you guys send in to us every day. So we're not looking to criticize, or we're not looking to tell somebody they're not working hard enough. That's not the case. What I really want you to do is to focus on the quality of good stuff that you are seeing in people's movies. So there are 5 sentence starters there, which we would suggest you use when you give feedback. And these sentence starters are in your answer booklets. So you will just need to finish the sentence starters to provide quality feedback. Now, if you want to, you can rub those out and you can write 5 sentences or a couple of paragraphs of your own to give good quality feedback to your friends, your peers about what it is you have seen in their movies. So the 5 sentence starters there are just for some children who might need a bit of help, which is absolutely fine, to finish the sentences. But if you're a bit more confident and want to use your own words, go for it. You can use 1 or 2 of these and then you can make your own up if you want to for the remaining 3. It's up to you entirely, but the minimum we expect is for you to give feedback based on those 5 sentence starters. Okay, that's it. Brilliant. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I really hope you enjoy the movies that you see. If you didn't manage to upload a video, then you will need to organise for somebody to observe somebody else's video within your class. So do speak to your teacher about that. Please don't randomly go in and look at people's videos without their permission. It's just disrespectful to do that. So if you haven't managed to upload a video for whatever reason, do chat with your teacher, and your teacher, myself or Miss Halls, will work out which video you are able to give some feedback on. But I'm only saying that. I'm sure I won't need to say that because all of you are going to upload some amazing videos and get some good quality peer assessment back from one of your friends or colleagues. Okay, brilliant. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in the Zoom clinics later on. Take care, kids.